what's going on with our sun? Is like, why is it so active right now? Does that energy impact us on a
Just as
like a spiritual level? Mm.
more energy is being um like made or manifested, and it's becoming more enlivened. Just more energy is enlivening or energizing everything. It's a time in your evolution on Earth to expand consciousness and enable, as a result, enable a higher frequency to come in. More energy, a higher frequency, a lighter, it's more etheric, it's less dense, it's less heavy. It's a time that Earth is evolving, and it's evolving like it or not. You can meet it and join with it or go with it. Or if you do not grow with it and enable like a higher energy frequency in your body and being and consciousness, then it will get uncomfortable and stressful and straining and create fear, a chaotic mind, scattered thinking, and that even leads to, illness, mental insanity. Um, you know, this is a time where you must make spiritual growth a priority. It's not a luxury now. It's a priority to stay here on earth. You have to grow, go and grow with this rhythm, with this phase. That's a natural phase happening by the Father. Um, and it's a miracle. It's miraculous because it's going to enable you to grow spiritually, all of you. Many will have to leave the planet Earth to be able to have another experience or existence elsewhere that gives them the experiences they need. It will be a more dense, a more dark, a more negative experience, but that's what's going to be needed to like wake them up and kind of like, hitting a rock bottom, which makes you, you know, um, come out of that
There's nowhere to
state.
go but up.
Right. No, yeah. And then those who can go with it and flow with it and meet it, this higher energy frequency and more energy. Your body has to be able to handle a higher energy frequency and more life energy. And it is our Father creating more energy to basically like force evolution to continue rather than stagnating or digressing. This is the Father. This energy is the Father. It is the creation energy, life energy that gives life to all form, including the sun. And the sun is being like magnetized and enlivened, enhanced, more energized, literally. So this is what's happening on Earth, and this is actually why this community is even here to help you all understand this period of time you're going through and how to prepare and handle this time. So it's good and positive rather than the opposite, and also to help others along as well. Yes, yes. So it comes from our source of life. There's no specific place or spot or location it comes from. It just it's the Father, the formless Father, I guess.
Right. Can we expect any major global shifts or earthquakes or anything as a result of this big storm?
He goes, yes. Not from the enhanced energy of the sun, but because of the denseness on Earth,
Mm.
it's not compatible. Um,
Oh.
and this is what creates calamity, certain natural disasters, energy that's scrambled and has an effect. Its effects are different, but include like natural disasters. They're only because the energy on Earth is very slow. It's very dense. It's not moving the way it should. It's not flowing the way it should. It's not lighter as it should be. And you all, our human body is very dense. It is not supposed to be so dense. It's supposed to be physical matter, but still etheric or ethereal light.
So it's actually the opposite. A lot of people think of cause and effect. And I've been watching this astrophysicist, and he was saying like the sun storm is causing these little micro earthquakes to be happening, especially at a fault line in Japan. But it's actually the other way around. Of that, these are higher, lighter frequencies that are hitting us. A lot of energy, and then we're dense. So that's the friction is basically coming because of the consciousness levels. Is that right?
Yes, yes. It's invisible to see, but it's there. The quality of the energy is dense. It's not flowing as it should be. It's not able to flow, penetrate, or pass through. Um, and so it creates disruptions and calamity because it's like energy connecting with other energy that's not in alignment with it. So instead of it being like passing through, or it's like creates friction energy.
So I'm just going to assume here that, okay, the sun is affecting Earth. Do all these other planets, say like Mercury, Venus, Uranus, Saturn, all of those, do they all have consciousness that when they line up impacts the energies of the Earth? It's not just limited to the sun?
Yes, absolutely. They all vibrate a certain energy and create like a resonance in the atmosphere that keeps everything like functioning or floating. Keeps everything like kind of, I think it's both functioning and like floating or moving in synchronicity with each other. It's like they're magnetic and they all influence each other and have a certain resonance and vibration that absolutely affects every atom in existence here, every being, every atom in existence, everything. It keeps the world alive and balanced.
Okay, so there's a resonance between planets in our solar system that all impact each other, their function and form throughout space, and then also every atom of every cell and every space
Great,
between every
recaps.
molecule.
Is that right, Jesus? Like, yes, yes.
Wow. It's pretty mind-blowing.
Like everything would like collapse without that. I don't know. It also maybe creates gravity and also the lack of gravity.
And that's all
Um,
due to resonance.
yes, yes. It's vibrating at a certain frequency, and then that field that vibrates from a planet affects all other planets and every being on Earth and keeps it in sync with each other, keeps everything in synchronicity. Well, I still don't get it, but that one's kind of beyond my.
No, that's pretty awesome. This, astrophysicist I watch, he talks a lot about resonance, so I was like, "Wow." I mean, and you're not an
Oh, really?
astrophysicist, you're just throwing
No,
you
not
know,
at all.
like, that's amazing.